Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to tell you how you can factory reset your any phone. This is Samsung. I'm going to do in front of you step by step how to do that. It's very easy. Swipe down, go in settings, and then it will bring you to this window. Or if you want to open settings, you can go into the menu and settings. You can open that way, whichever way you like. You have to scroll down. So before doing that, make sure you take the backup of your phone. I don't want you guys to lose any data or anything like that. So to do that, you can back up in the Samsung Cloud if you have account over there. If not, so there are also three options. You can go back and back up to Google Drive. So click that. You need to log in here. When you log in here, add an account, then it will back up in the Google Drive you have in your Google. So here you have to log in with your email. You can log in and it will take the backup, whichever you like. Go back and then make sure it's all backed up. And then scroll down. You will see About Phone. Here you can see all your details, and here on the bottom you will see a reset button. Click on that, and then here we have a couple of options. You can see reset all settings or whichever you like, network setting, but I'm gonna do factory data reset, complete wipe this phone. So from all these options, I'm gonna go select this one. So here it's gonna show you what's gonna happen. All data will be erased from your phone, including all these things mentioned and all these apps and everything in your phone. If you're happy, click reset, enter the phone pin, your phone pin, and then continue from here. Okay, delete all. It's going to shut down and then start the process for that. It might take a couple of minutes, or it depends how big data saved on your phone. So as you can see, it's turning on like when you turn on the new phone, brand new phone you get. So it brought us to the start page where you start the phone from the beginning, like select your country, you have to agree all. So it means your phone is fully wiped. I'm still gonna go to the process and show you. You have to select from the Wi-Fi. I'm gonna skip in the meantime. Next. So our phone is fully wiped and factory reset, which called. So as you can see, it's fully wiped, nothing on it. It's like a blank phone. So I hope this video is helpful to you and straightforward. It's showing the name as well. It was a different name before. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos I make. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.